This common problem often stems from a specific setting within File Explorer. To resolve it, we need to access the folder options. Begin by opening File Explorer. Once open, you will see an option labeled See More. Click on that, and then select Options. In the folder options window that appears, look for a setting that might be enabled, which is single click to open an item. If this option is checked, it means a single click will perform the action of a double click. To correct this, you need to deselect this option and instead choose the double click to open an item. After making this change, ensure you click on Apply and then on OK to save your modifications. This adjustment will revert your mouse behavior so that a single click no longer opens items, and you will need to perform a proper double click as intended. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.